Today we're talking about our best outdoor security cameras, and our #1 overall pick is the Nest Cam IQ. Now, a lot of things to like about this one. #1 is the Super Sight feature, which I really like. It's a person detection system that actually uses a 4K sensor. So in the Nest Cam IQ, it has a 4K sensor. That's not the same thing as taking in 4K picture, but what it uses to track people and recognize faces, which is another really cool feature, it uses Super Sight to do that, a 4K sensor. So that's really fantastic. It also has extremely good operating temperatures. So for those of you in harsh climates, this one will operate anywhere from -40 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 113 degrees. So especially in cold climates, this may be the way to go because a lot of the competition does not go that low. They might go down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit or maybe down to 0, but once you get down to sub-zero temperatures, they stop being so great. However, the Nest Cam IQ is a fantastic one for those harsh climates. Now, as for cons on this one, the installation process is not the best, and it requires AC power. So this is not a wireless camera, it is wired. You've gotta find a plug for it. And while the camera is waterproof, I mean, this thing is beefy, it's well built, it is waterproof, but the cable is not. So you're gonna have to drill through the house, plug it in inside. The good news though is that the cable passes through the camera into the wall, so there aren't any exposed wires, nothing for anybody to cut. Makes it a little bit more secure. I should also mention though the price. Anytime you're talking about Nest, you gotta talk about price. The camera itself, $350 retail. That's a pretty pricey camera. And the monthly subscription that you're gonna need if you wanna get the features that go along with it, $10 or $30. 30 bucks a month if you want all the bells and whistles. So for some people, that's pretty reasonable and you can afford 30 bucks a month. For some of us, like me, that's a lot to ask for a monthly subscription fee. But like I said, you do get a lot of bells and whistles for it. Elsewhere in the article, we do have other great outdoor security cameras. We also talk about the Arlo Pro 2. The Arlo Pro 2 is wireless, but there is no operation below freezing temperatures. And so if you're in a cold climate, watch out, that may not be the one for you. It's also pretty expensive and requires the purchase of a hub. So there's more than one piece of tech that's required just to get your camera working. The Amcrest Pro HD Outdoor 3 megapixel camera comes in under 100 bucks, which makes it a great budget pick. It has fantastic video quality and great night vision, but the field of view on this is only 100 degrees wide, so you're not gonna see a whole lot with that great video quality. And the Ring Floodlight Cam has an excellent light and camera combination, uses a floodlight on that, but the design is huge. It's bulky, it's unsightly, so that kind of knocks some points off. Anyway, that's kind of just the highlights of our favorite outdoor security cameras. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and head to reviews.org if you want any more details on these. We really go into detail at the site. Our writers put a lot of effort into making sure that they have a ton of info for you. So go to reviews.org and check out the rest of the info on these outdoor cameras. Anyway, thanks for watching everybody, and thank you for liking and subscribing. We'll see you next time.